Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and today is day one of 7 Days of Spring, a collaboration between Dearjuliejulie and Cara Creations. And today we are going to be working with this digital page from Dearjuliejulie, where we've got an envelope and a butterfly, a couple of calling cards, a flinch card, and this little card here. And from Cara, we have this beautiful collage sheet. So, what I've done is I'm going to be making a journal during the 7 days, and then I'll finish it up after the 7 days. But one thing I did was I took Cara's collage page. I'll be making a soft cover journal, and I printed it onto fabric and then sewed that onto another piece of fabric and all of that is attached to a 9x12 envelope, and I will be adding more stuff to it, which is why I haven't covered the inside yet. So I did that with the collage sheet, and then I did a 2-page spread in my journal, and here I put down some of the collage sheet just as a pretty background, and over here I used another strip of the collage sheet. I put Julie's little butterfly up here. The envelope I made into a pocket, and inside the pocket I put the flinch card, and I made a tag out of most of the rest of the collage sheet. And it had this beautiful butterfly on it, so I didn't think it needed a lot more. I stamped Spring Has Sprung, and then I made a little charm out of something else and just put that on there with the bulb pen. And then over here, out of the Dearjuliejulie card, I took the 2 calling cards and just cut those out and inked those up and tucked them right inside. And that is my day 1 2-page spread. Please let me know what you think. Please be sure in the description box below are the links of the other people participating in this collaboration. And they will all have videos out today if they haven't already come out. So please be sure to check those out and let them know what you think and show them the love. So until tomorrow, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you then. Bye-bye.